Hello YouTube.
I'm attempting a big new challenge. Do you guys know what Google Plus is? I'm sure some of you already have an account. Using the video chat feature of Google Plus, I'm planning to do a jam session with my viewers. I want you to dance along to my beatbox using your webcam. You don't have to be a pro at dancing. Let's just enjoy beatbox in a different way. So everyone is welcome. I will constantly record the video chat, and if I find an interesting, funny or amazing dance, I'm planning to upload the footage on my official YouTube channel. If your dance is chosen, it will be shared with the full world. If you are interested in joining, get yourself a Google Plus account and add me as a friend. My account URL is listed below in the descriptions. Please have a go at this challenge when I'm online. I'll try to be online frequently. So this is what I'm planning to do, so come check it out, and I'll be waiting on Google Plus. Bye!
3, 2, 1, go!